So September 23rd is shaping up like one of those days where the camera scene just explodes with new gear. We already knew DJI had the Osmo Nano lined up, but now GoPro's showing up with not one, but two new cameras. The GoPro Max 2 and something smaller that might go by the name GoPro Hero Lit. Before we get into the details, quick thing. If you're into cameras, drones, or just cool tech drops, hit that subscribe button. I promise what's coming next is worth sticking around for. Now, let's talk Max 2 first. Everyone's throwing around 8K in the 360 space these days, so that spec alone isn't shocking anymore. What's interesting here is whether GoPro can actually make that resolution usable. Sharp detail is one thing, but if they nail the processing and compression, you might finally get 8K that looks clean, edits smoothly, and doesn't eat your storage alive. The leaks say it'll do slow-mo at 4K 100 frames per second, and even 5.6K at 60, which isn't mind-blowing, but it keeps things versatile. Flip it into single lens mode, and suddenly you've got a hero tucked inside a 360 cam. You're looking at 4K 60 with all the digital lens options GoPro's known for: hyperview, superview, ultra-wide, and linear. That kind of flexibility is what makes it feel like two cameras in one. Photos. Leaks suggest 29 MP 360 shots. Not the highest we've seen out there, but enough for casual creators who don't want to stitch together monster files. Color science looks promising too. We're talking 10-bit recording, GP log, and LUT support for people who like to tweak their footage in post. Pair that with 6 built-in mics, better wind handling, and even the ability to connect something like AirPods for audio. And suddenly this isn't just about video, it's a legit all-in-one kit, and durability hasn't been ignored. Waterproof down to 5 meters without any case, plus replaceable glass lenses so a scratch doesn't ruin your investment. Add in all the fun creative tools, the invisible selfie stick, subject tracking, motion frame for those wild angles, wireless sync with multiple cameras, time code, even voice control. And the Max 2 is shaping up as more than just an upgrade. But then there's this other camera, the Hero Lit. This one's interesting because it's clearly not trying to be the most powerful. Think of it more as a pocket-sized companion to the main Hero lineup. You get 4K at 60 frames per second, 12 megapixel stills, and that wide 165-degree 4:3 video, which is awesome for social clips since it gives you extra room to crop vertically. The coolest part? It can pull photos directly from video, so if you catch the perfect moment mid-clip, you don't have to miss out on a shot. Oh, and it has a built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels. That might sound small, but it's huge for casual shooting at night or in dim spots. No mods, no accessories, just switch it on and you're good. So yeah, GoPro's not just giving us an upgrade, they're giving us options. One camera that's pushing the boundaries of what a 360 rig can do, and another that's all about convenience and portability. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.